My name is Amelia Fung.
My name is Kailani.
My name's Matthew Bell.
Hi, my name is Therese.
Hi, my name is Kritika Yarapothu.
My name is Chris.
I do believe it's an effective model because, like I said, with traditional piano, a lot of it studying, the experience with myself was like independent. It wasn't as engaging as I hoped it would be. Not to say that a lot of us always enjoy piano lessons, but aside from that, the piano everyday model, it allows us to kind of just engage more with the students beyond just the lessons itself. So we even offer like different classes each day, like our pop classes or like arranging classes, learning about basic music production. It's definitely a way that encourages students to take on music beyond just the basic piano lessons.
Not to mention all of the cognitive research, but in general, it's found that what's really important for students learning piano is not necessarily that they spend hours and hours of practice every day, but that they establish a regular routine of practicing piano at least a little bit every single day. That's much better than, practicing for hours and hours on a couple days of the week. That's important because it builds those neural pathways in your brain, and it really helps create effective connections. So as the student comes every single day, they're going to see improvement in their playing and their skills a lot more quickly, and that's just going to reinforce their enthusiasm and their engagement with, I can't wait to engage with the piano each day.
When you have a school and a system that's set up to help you do that, to keep you engaged, to basically motivate you every single day, and I think that really is what causes so many students to actually exponentially grow so much faster than a lot of other schools, because there's not a day that they miss practice, pretty much, and we try to make it so then practice isn't just this chore that they feel like they have to do. It's actually a class that they get to go to every single day, and they get to see an instructor, and they get to work on things, and they get to see that they're growing and improving every single day.
Piano every day is definitely a really effective model, and you can really see the difference between the kids' growth rate compared to just once a week lessons. And really, I think the point of piano every day is to kind of say that piano should become a part of your lifestyle, music should become a part of your lifestyle, and not just a class you go to. And we're really about helping students kind of form their own story with music and be able to create their own personality surrounding music. So it really becomes a part of them, and I think assigning that personal aspect of music makes music something that they want to do every single day, and that makes learning piano all the more engaging and exciting, and it promotes their growth a lot more.
Piano every day is super effective just because as a pianist it's important to learn how to practice effectively, and having piano every day kind of teaches you how to practice every day. Instead of it being a chore, it becomes a habit. So being able to practice or have piano lessons every day will essentially set you up for when you're a little bit older, a little bit more independent, because you'll learn how to practice every day instead of taking lessons every day. So it teaches the skill of becoming a good, pianist in terms of practicing as well.
If a student has a not so great day or is confused, there's no worries, because there's always tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that. So eventually they will get the concept.